What's up, YouTubers? It's Intense Investor here coming at you again for another episode on my YouTube channel. I want to go over my earnings so far this month in September with a GPS Forex 3 robot. The bot itself has been doing great. I have not had like any losing trades pretty much since I started the bot. And if I did happen to lose a trade, I don't really call it a loss because the bot does a reverse trade and makes the profit back. So the bot's been doing really well. It's the only Forex bot that I've been running. I just kept it running because it was doing so well and it didn't really never let me down. Haven't had any failed reverse trades or anything like that. And this is running on a live account. So some people like to comment it's fake money, it's a demo account. It's not a demo account, it's real money. I started the bot at like $2,000 US dollars, and I took a little bit out. Now I got like 300 in there, but the bot's still running and making profit. So I just want to go over these results. If you're interested, I'll leave my link in the description for the GPS Forex bot. As you can see, this is Mark Larson's website. You can get it for $149. It's a pretty good deal. If you buy another bot like Forex Fury or some other Forex bot like that, you're going to pay a good $300 at least. So let's look at the results that I've been having. I'm going to go over to MyFX book. MyFX book's used for tracking any kind of Forex bots. Expert Advisors is another name for them if you're not fully versed on the terminology. But that's another name for Forex trading bots, Expert Advisor. I have been running the GPS Forex 3 bot on forexvps.net, which is a virtual private server. You can set the bot up on the server. I plan on making a video at a later time on how to set it up, but it's pretty much a remote computer server. You log in remotely with a certain IP address and a password to the remote computer, and you get a desktop that looks really a lot like your typical Windows desktop. So you install MT4 terminal, which is what runs the trading bot, and then you install the trading bot. I just run the Euro USD pair. That's really the best pair, I think, for the bot. I've tried running the other pairs. It comes with 4 different pairs, but that was the one that seemed to trade the best. So I just wanted to throw that in there. If you need a good VPS, it's a good one. There's a link if you're interested in the description. But let's look at the results. So here I am over at MyFX book. As you can see, there's been a nice increase in profit ever since December 23rd, 2020. It's actually about a 44% profit that I've had, which is totally awesome. That's a really good profit. Here you can see live account. Like I was telling you, it's live. It's made about $700 profit off of $1,800 in deposits. And I currently have a balance of $344. So even that amount's starting to grow again. I took some of that money to invest in some crypto, some Bitcoin, stuff like that. Just a good opportunity also right now. So, like I said, the drawdown's only about 7.67%. Overall profit, 44%. Hard to beat that. I mean, savings account only pay you about 1%. The bot, it can make you 44%. So, where can you make $673 at off of $1,800? No bank's going to pay you that. So, just keep that in mind. So profitability, 89% of trades have been won, but the 11% that were lost, it actually reverse traded and won that trade. You can look at the history here. I'm going to leave a link in the description for this data. You can log on here. You can see my account. You can look at all the trades. You can look at everything if you want to. But as you can see, lots of green. Even when I have a negative trade, it always corrects, does a reverse trade and makes money. Or it makes a little bit more money. Like here, I had a negative trade for $18.65. The next trade did a reverse trade with a larger lot size. That's what the bot will do. It'll increase the lot size on a reverse sell or short, and it'll make, you know, like $19.80. I do got these settings on my website. I'm going to show them to you. Some people ask in the comments sometime, like, I can't see the settings or stuff like that, but they are on my website, intenseinvestor.com. I have a post I made a couple months ago. I got all the settings on that page on exactly how to set up GPS robot. If you follow those settings, you're going to be okay. And the bot will do exactly what I got going on here. So as you can see, I had a reverse trade right here off a negative loss, made the money back. Here I had a negative, but I came back with 163, so that's about a wash. You know, as long as I have these negatives and I make back at least what I lost, then I think that's okay. That's pretty good. You know, it's not bad. Here I had a minus 165, made back 172. Here I had minus 165, made back 193. So it does pretty well. I don't want to adjust that setting up too high, because then the bot will trail maybe too far and it won't be able to sell. So I just want to make sure I don't get the parameters too out of whack from the settings I'm using now, because I like the settings I'm using. When you look at the number of trades, let me go. See, these are, let's go to September here. So September, I've had September 2nd, I had a trade, September 7th, September 9th, September 14th. And there's a trade right now that's actually open. We're going to take a look at my VPS, the Forex VPS I was talking about earlier, and look at those trades. If you're looking for a good broker to use, check out FX Choice. I don't think they're available for U.S. citizens anymore. Like, I got grandfathered in because I was using it like the middle of last year. So they kept letting U.S. citizens use it. I think you can use it if you're in the U.K. or pretty much anywhere else in the world. It's just we got these crazy restrictions in the U.S. now, and they're really hard on us with certain things. And especially in investing, it's like they don't want us to make any money with anything. It's just the craziest thing. We're so restricted here. I guess you can thank the current administration for all that, but anywho, I don't want to get into too much politics. Here's my monthly gains: 5% in January, 7% in February. That was a good month. 5% in March, 4% in April, 0.6% in May. That's when we had a little bit of a market decline. The crypto market also declined then. That's when you had the China FUD and the Elon FUD. June had 4%, July 3.79%, August 4.2%, and September 1.13%. So really good gains there. One last thing, we're going to look at the VPS, like I said, and we'll look at each trade and like how it looks on the chart, how much it made, that kind of stuff. So let's go over there. I got to change up my screen here. So here we are on my VPS. Like I said, we would take a look at this. You can see all the trades going back all the way to like August right here. I think I can zoom out a little more. We can see all the way back to June. But as you can see, lots of trades, all the little blue arrows. The red arrows are where it did a reverse trade. That means it actually lost, and then it lost. It tried to buy right here, the market went down. Okay, so it lost that trade. Then it did a reverse sell, and then increased the lot size and made that whole loss, made it back in that little bit. You can see that quite often, but it does it pretty well from what I can tell. Well, here's one right here, there's one, and then all the blue is where it bought, sold, bought, sold, bought, sold, bought, sold. Here's one that just went into a trade right here. It's buying. So, you know, it's been trading pretty good. I mean, maybe, I don't know, let's see what I got here. See how many times it traded in August. Was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Traded 10 times in August. It's traded, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 times in September, and then I got another trade that's open right here. I think that's the one that just opened. But yeah, I mean, it does a good job. I mean, this is proof right here. This is a live account, you know. I mean, this is it. This is live. That's what you guys want to see, you know. So that's why I'm trying to show that the bot does indeed make good profits. Here's me zooming in a little bit. You can see where it opens up a buy, and then it sells, sold near the top. Here's where it opened another one. Scroll back a little bit. Let's see. So here's one it bought and it sold almost even. There's one that's pretty good. It bought right there, sold, bought, sold, bought, sold. Here's a long one here. Look at this. It bought way over here, went all that way, and it sold. Now in this case, if the market were to drop a lot, it would have sold way down here, did a reverse trade, and it would have made that back. Let me see. I'm trying to... Yeah, look at this one. Look how long... It went all the way there, and then it sold. Now here's the reverse. So here's where it bought. The market dropped. I mean, look at that drop. So the bot's like, oh crap. So it gets down here, and it sells. So then it increases the lot size, and that's an automatic setting. I use the automatic setting on a lot of this. So, and it's on my web page. Like I said, I got the settings on there. So bought, sold, then it did this reverse trade because it lost right here. It didn't increase, it decreased, and it lost because the market was going down. So then it reverse traded, and it made money back right here. And then it's good to go. So what's funny is it started this buy right here while this was still going on, which is interesting. And I got it where it can do multiple trades at a time. Here's some long ones right here. Went from like, I mean, August 11th to like August 13th. This one went from like August 9th to August 11th. So it might take a couple days for the bot to get out of the trade, but in my experience here, it's always made money. So just keep that in mind. That's really all I got for tonight. So that's all I got for tonight, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate the support. Hit the notification bell. Check out my Twitter. I talk a lot about crypto on Twitter. I really don't get into Forex much. My channel is probably like 90% crypto, 10% Forex. I have thought about trying the Forex Fury bot, just to add another bot to my VPS. So it kind of works out with the money I'm spending on renting the VPS. Because I think I'm spending about $90 every 3 months. But I'm pretty much making that back with what the bot's making. So I just wanted to keep the bot running because I want to see how long it can go. And keep making profit. You know, I mean, these nice long profit curves. I just want to see what it does. I want to test it, you know. I'm an experimenter. So it's fun to see, and I'm sure you guys enjoy watching and seeing the results on a live account versus all these freaking demo accounts they got on my FX book, which ain't worth anything. Demo accounts ain't worth nothing. So that's all I got for tonight. You guys have a good night, and all the links are in the description that I talked about, all the products in the video, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you.